everyone, April here from Lilac Peaches Handmade. This adorable sign is available as a free project for you to create, and you can find it on my Cricut Design Space profile. To make this project, you're going to need your cardstock cutouts, craft glue, a hot glue gun, and a little bit of ribbon and some foam tape. This project calls for lots of layers for the text, which is one of my favorite ways to elevate designs. Because the text is thicker, I was able to use foam tape to adhere the lettering to each offset layer. I continue to use foam tape to adhere the lettering to each offset layer to create dimension. Just look at those layers, yay! I have been super obsessed with elevating my projects with Plike and gold sequin glitter specialty paper. Plike is plastic-like cardstock. It's much thicker and has a plastic-like feel. The red is also, in my opinion, one of the most vibrant reds, so it's definitely in my top 10 of favorite cardstocks. Once all of your pieces have been put together, it's time for the ribbon. For this sign, I used ribbon to hang part of the lettering to give it a fluttery feel. Simply place your hot glue on the back of your sign where you want your ribbon to hang. I used an extra back piece to cover up all the ribbon and glue and placed it on top using foamy adhesive. Because I filmed on my backdrop, I used a plane of plain copy paper under the pieces I was going to use hot glue on so I wouldn't ruin my board. I made sure my sign was facing right side up and put the glue directly onto the ribbon and pulled tight while placing my cutout on top. I added another back piece for each letter to conceal the ribbon and glue. I hope you enjoyed this video.